Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the REALME 11 Pro Plus. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm only starting from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also tap on the power button and volume up and swipe to the restart to restart the Android system in your phone. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode and it's visible for other devices, and how to enable pair mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. Sometimes you have to push the functional button for a few seconds, for example. Sometimes the gadget starting the pair mode after turning them on, so you have to check it by yourself. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices but it's still not on your phone, go to the settings, swipe down to the connection and sharing, and then look for the we don't have a reset here, so slide down to the additional settings, sorry about that, my bad, and go to the backup and reset. Now choose the reset phone and tap on the reset network settings, configure pattern and tap on the reset settings again. So after that, look for the device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system. How to do it? Open settings, go to the about device and tap on the REALME UI. Then check for the updates, and if you have any, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory, another Bluetooth accessory, to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.